he moving that thing, bro. Damn. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Live, aka MotoBroo. Oh boy, got that three-wheeler. As y'all know, that thing is banned in the USA. But that thing is clean. That's the second cleanest three-wheeler I've seen. Oh! I didn't know which way it was going either. Yes, sir. Bro, that may sound nasty. Oh, he moving that thing, bro. Damn. Oh, homie coming in on that KTM. Mobbing. Yo, what the f?
What you doing on my turn?
Yo, I didn't even know that was you on this bike, bro. Is this yours or is this someone else's? Oh, nice.
I did the surround for it.
Ah, because I've seen someone else on this before out here.
It was him. It's his old bike.
Oh, that's his old bike. Dan, so he traded the surround for this?
Yeah.
He said, F the electric bike.
She ain't got enough power.
No, yeah.
I'm still figuring this one out.
Let's see some work on that. He said I suck on it. Wait, bro, what are you talking about? Oh shit, oh my gosh. Yeah, the boy's getting close.
These Supermotos feel so weird.
No, you need to put some dirt tires on there.
I got the dirt tires, but they're not screwed.
Ah, so they're all wobbly. Two-stroke killer. Two-stroke hitters out here right now, bro. This is just the beginning, bro. There's about to be a lot of people coming out here today. It's gonna be sick. Yo, look at this homie on a naked quad. I don't even know what type of quad that is, bro. But that thing's naked as hell. Let's go. How you doing? Yo, that thing is like fully naked. What is it, a 90?
Yeah, it's a 90.
Let's see some work. I said, let's see some work. Oh, bro, I've never seen a 90 like naked. Yo! We going in. He going off-roading. Bro, it's so funny to see in this naked freaking forward. Look how slow he's getting. I meant to say low, but it turned into slow. Could I record you drifting?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. We got that 240. Oh, he ain't even drifted down. There it goes. There it is. Yo, the whole play is off.
Oh, yeah.
Is he's still learning, trying to?
Just got it.
Damn. Just killing it, bro.
Thanks.
Is it you have like the the back diff locked? Is it locked?
Welded,
Or welded, whatever, yeah. How much you get this car for?
I got it for $5,000.
5K?
Yeah.
And it was running?
Mm-hmm, just like this. Well, I mean, it ran a little bit better when I got it, but I've only had it for like a day and a half, so. Running good right now.
Oh, you just got this thing,
I
bro.
got this shit like Friday night.
Damn,
Yeah.
that's awesome, bro. And you're already drifting it.
Hell yeah.
Hey, well, y'all have fun. I'll probably see you around freaking.
Dude.
Yo, look at all these people coming out. Let's go. Yes, sir. We outside. Let's go. What's good, bro? Hey, I like the shirt. Pop Smoke, RIP. I was like, bro, usually he's wheeling, and he was just like riding the bike. I was like, bro, he's always shredded, bro. I wonder if something's wrong with the bike. But nah, he was just cruising for a bit, you know. Ooh, over the speed bump or pole. That's a big hole. Damn. That thing is mean, bro. Let's go. Oh, he's still going. Two-stroking it. Popping it. I'm glad homie's wearing a helmet, bro. If you're watching this video, bro, keep wearing that goddamn helmet, brother. Safety first. You know these bikes, bro. With 1 second you're feeling dialed on, the next second you could be on your butt, bro. That's just how it be. You got any burnouts with that Harley?
Yeah.
Let's see a little burnout.
I'm not good at it.
Let's see what this Harley can do. Burn some rubber real quick. You gonna sit there all day? Bro, this is the homie who rode he has an electric dirt bike too, where he sold it for this. But he shreds. Bro, are you kidding me? Whoa! Oh, he got a handbrake. Oh my god, I forgot. Yo, I forgot he had a handbrake, dude. Yeah, I forgot you had a handbrake, and when you went past, I was like, oh, I thought you were done. Haha, ballin'. Grom, homie. Yes, sir. And gang, I know I've been coming to this lot a lot recently, and I'm gonna have some different footy coming soon, so be prepared for that. There's some crazy stuff happening in Miami. I'm not gonna say too much about it, but the footy there is gonna be madness. Woo, let's go. Feels good to be on the YZ, even though I'm running out of gas. Straight to this freaking naked quad. That's that UK, homie. That UK bike life, brother. We got the other 90 goat right here, dog. Okay. Get a little mobby on that TRX.